Hey everybody, we're going to talk about 3 things related to passing your life insurance license exam course. The first thing we're going to talk about is premium payments. Then we're going to talk about reinstatement, and then we're going to talk about incontestability. So the first thing I'm going to cover is premium payments. Now, premium payments have to do with paying for your life insurance policy. Now, there are different modes of paying the premium. So when you hear modal premium, it means how is that payment being paid? All this really means is, are you paying it monthly? Are you paying it annually? Are you paying it semi-annually, like every 6 months? Are you paying it quarterly, every 3 months? So premium mode is just the frequency. How often are you paying that premium? And if you pay it anything more frequently than annually, you usually have to pay a little bit extra, because what happens is there's administrative costs and there's actual transaction costs that are involved that the insurance company wants you to pay for. Now, in addition to that, there is a grace period, which is usually like anywhere from 30 to 60 days, where after the payment is due, there's a period of time that the insured has the ability, that it's like a grace period to where they can make that premium payment before the policy lapses. Okay, so say like the payment's due and they don't on the 1st of the month, and the 15th of the month comes and they die, and they haven't paid that premium yet. Well, the policy doesn't lapse the day that the premium is missed. Usually there's like a 30 to 60 day grace period where the client has that time to pay the premium. And obviously if they die in the grace period, then what happens is that premium is just taken out of the death benefit. Then there's also level and flexible premium. So a level premium is a premium that never changes. It's level throughout the life of the policy. Hey, stop it. And then there's, sorry, I got my little dogs here. And then there's a flexible premium, which the client can increase the premium or decrease the premium at will. So they can decide whether they want to put in more or less. You may see these on the universal life policies. By the way, guys, I have an agency. We sell life insurance 100% over the phone. We provide all the leads to our agents. So there's no cold calling, no talking to your friends, family, relatives. We focus on sales more than recruiting. We're not going to make you recruit everybody that you talk to. You can make sales from the comfort of your own home, right through your computer. We provide you the full pipeline, all your leads, no driving around. It's really a state-of-the-art system. I make a bunch of money with this headset right here. And if you guys are interested in learning the program that we have to offer to take advantage of your life insurance license with, then just reach out to me at jve@thejve.com. My email is jve@thejve.com. So next we're going to talk about reinstatement. So if a policy lapses, then you can reinstate the policy. What this means is like the policy's lapsed and you want to put it back in force. So in order to reinstate a policy, you have to pay back due premiums plus interest usually, and you have to usually pay off any loans that are outstanding against the cash value, or against the death, loans against cash value if there's any outstanding loans. And then you also have to provide evidence of insurability. So you have to show that you're not like screwed up. You're not messed up to the point where you're not going to be insurable. Okay. So that's in there. So you do have that ability in the life insurance plan to reinstate it if it does lapse, and people can do it, but you can't do it if like your health has changed or anything like that. So you have to show that you're still insurable, and you have to pay back any premiums that you miss. So say some companies allow for up to 3 years of reinstatement, but you have to pay back premiums for 3 years and show that nothing has changed in your health. You may have to go through underwriting again. And then the last thing I'm going to talk about is incontestability. So incontestability has to do with essentially the death benefit paying out. So anything after 2 years, if any insured dies after 2 years, then if there are any lies or material misrepresentations in the application, say the insured withheld something or lied about something or didn't even realize that there was something going on with them, and there was, if they die after 2 years of the policy being enforced, they have to pay the death benefit anyway. Now, exceptions to that are things related to age, gender, or identity. So if someone lies about their birthday and the insurance company doesn't pick up on it, and they're actually older or younger when they die, then the death benefit will usually adjust as such. If they were older than they say they were, the death benefit payout is going to be less, right? Because they were paying a premium that they should have been paying more. And if they were younger than they said they were, then they'd actually probably get more death benefit because they are they were saying they were older than they actually were. So they were overpaying on the insurance. And then if some people go through gender changes, I respect anybody, whatever anybody wants to do with their body. But insurance companies, they don't really care. So they look at gender at birth. So if a man decides he's a woman, then when she dies, the insurance company says you were a male at birth and genetically, so that's how the life insurance company pays out. So there would be an adjustment of death benefit there. And then also if you lied about who you were, right? Like if you said you were this person and you're really not and you die, then they may actually not even pay the claim out at all. So, however, there's another caveat to this. If the insured dies in the first 2 years of having that policy, then there is a contestability period. It's called contestability period, where the insurance carrier can actually challenge the claim and can contest it. And they can say, well, based on our underwriting, that person wasn't supposed to die this fast, so we're going to go do another check on all their health and everything else, all their records, to make sure that they weren't lying about anything. And then we're going to make sure that we can actually insure them. So those are the 3 things I covered in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I covered the premium payments. I covered the reinstatement and incontestability, as you need to know to pass your life insurance licensing exam course. If you look up right here, there's going to be another great video that you'll want to watch, and you want to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for the next videos, and also reach out to me if you're interested in learning what we do here at Senior Life Services to sell life insurance. Thank you.